In school, you learn two rules. Resistors in series add up. Resistors in parallel reciprocal add. With those two, you'd think you can solve any circuit. Hold that thought. Then you meet this. 5 resistors, and neither rule fires. Nothing's in a row to merge. Nothing's between the same 2 points. So strip the resistors off. What's left is a graph. 4 vertices, every pair connected. K4. Here's the official definition. A graph is series parallel if you can boil it down to a single edge using just 2 moves. Collapse a degree 2 vertex. Merge a parallel pair. Repeat. Reach K2 between source and sink. You're series parallel. Stuck before that, you aren't. K4 has no moves available. Every vertex has degree 3. Every edge stands alone. So it's frozen. And here is the structural reason. A graph is series parallel exactly when it doesn't hide a copy of K4, even a stretched one, with extra dots inserted along its edges. That is Duffin's theorem. K4 is the only obstruction. Now the payoff. Tune the bridge so R1 times R4 equals R2 times R3. The middle wire carries no current. That's the balance point. Lower R4, the arrow points down. Raise it past balance. The arrow flips. The direction depends on the values you picked. In a series parallel circuit, that never happens. Every wire's flow direction is locked, no matter how you tune the resistors. Kirchhoff's 2 laws give you 1 equation per node and 1 per loop. Stack them up, and the whole circuit becomes 1 matrix equation. LV equals F. L is the graph's Laplacian, degree on the diagonal minus the conductances off it. Solve it, and you have every voltage. Here is the punchline. Effective resistance is a ratio of spanning tree counts. K4 has 16 spanning trees. Cayley's formula gives that for free. Contract A and B. What remains is a multigraph with 8 spanning trees. 8 over 16, 1/2 ohm. And by symmetry, a 1 ohm direct edge in parallel with 2 2-ohm paths. Same answer. The combinatorics knows. Plug the formula into 2 resistors in series. Out pops 2 ohms. 2 in parallel, 1/2. The school formulas were spanning tree counting all along. K4 was the warning. Matrix tree was the reward.